Print out the pattern by using the default settings. It comes with a name tag to organize the pattern in a file. Cut with a larger margin, approximately 2 millimeters on all sides. Prepare thick paper, preferably 310 grams, and attach the pattern onto it with glue. You're not gluing on printed paper due to its thinness, which may lead to inaccurate sizing. Press well and roll it firmly before cutting it into final size. In case the pattern area is over paper size, we have to connect them together, repeating the same steps until laying the paper down to thick paper. When laying the paper down, align carefully at the indicated connect line, ensuring alignment with both outer and middle lines. Press well, roll, and cut into final size.